got some Air Mags on. I got.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of.
Good morning, Judy. Good morning, everyone. It is a brand new day. We are here at Eataly, gonna grab some lunch. I think we're getting some sandwiches. Also, it's the first day that our cousins are here from Cali, so we're gonna hang out with them the whole day, and we're very excited. I believe the plans are we're gonna be going swimming at the Paris Hotel, and then we're gonna chill, hang out, and then for tonight is gonna be a big night because we are going to a club. We're gonna go to a rooftop bar, I believe, and celebrate Atisha's birthday. So it's gonna be so fun. But that is the plan for today, and I'm very excited.
Yeah, it's kidding.
Good. Spritz?
Yeah, spritz.
Hi, flip it.
Flip it. This is not boba. Okay, Gabe.
It's a good mixing.
What is that, bro? Is it good?
I'm hungry.
Where's the brown sugar?
Nice.
This is so strong. What's
Yeah,
good?
no, it is.
Makeup? Just say it's
Wait for them. This is yours.
cacio e pepe. You don't want to know how much.
You said chow?
No, cacio is cheese.
Looks like a $30 piece of
Yeah,
pasta.
it better be good, bro.
Oh, good. Perfectly al dente. On the way to swim with the cousins.
Yeah.
I haven't. Hey guys, we just finished swimming and we're going to grab a snack at this burger place. But first, we gotta get some shoes. We gotta get Belle's shoes, and then we'll head back to meet with everyone.
That way I don't get blisters on my feet.
Yes. And then we go. Let's go. This is good. These are anklets.
There's no knife?
Oh my goodness. Aww. Say hello.
You better post this. I want to hear what Mandas has to say about this burger, yes?
It's a basic burger, I'm not
It's a
gonna
basic
lie.
burger, okay.
How did they find it?
Gabe.
I didn't even see him.
Where you at?
But I don't understand the M&M hype. They all taste the same.
Yeah, I know. I don't either. Is this the peanut one? Cheers. Joshy, how do you like the M&Ms?
They're actually Skittles.
Oh, sorry, Skittles. They're Skittles? Okay. Delicious.
Come on, guys.
It doesn't get better than that. Yeah. Is that a beer?
We're gonna put on his steering stick. What is it called? Shift knob. Oh my god.
They got so much.
I gotta take a picture. I think we could have all
Don't trip. Holy moly.
See if we like it.
Okay, we're gonna try the first drink from Tanzania. Oh, it's like ginger beer. It's like, yeah, like spicy ginger.
Yeah, I'm not drinking none of this.
Okay, we got number 2 now, which is a Fanta strawberry.
No. Definitely no.
It tastes like
Oh, wow.
interesting choice of words, Kiara. That one was better than the first one.
Number 3 is Sprite Cucumber from Romania. Ooh, I do like the cucumber.
This one's more refreshing.
Yeah, this is refreshing. Okay, 4th drink, the Fresh Tea Green Honey from Indonesia.
Oh, wait, it is.
Wait,
this one's not
it tastes like milk tea, or like the honey green tea, but super sweet. Okay, number 5 is Mazo Blackberry from Zimbabwe.
Gabe, try that one.
Oh, you know, that tastes like poppin' cooking.
Coffee cooking soda.
Yeah, it does.
Want some? Sip it, Jossie.
Melon Frosty?
It's okay. Belle, help me put it in.
No reaction. What? Yeah. We're about to go out. We're gonna go bar hopping with our cousins, but this is the fit. I'm wearing this top, a skirt from OGL, a gray skirt, very cute. So that is the fit. Oh, I'm also wearing these ballet flats from Gap. Or wait, no, it's from Old Navy. I always get them mixed up. That's very cute. And Jack, what are you wearing?
I got some Air Mags on. I got from the doctor's office. Just one boot though, but it goes with the fit. We got a short sleeve polo and some slacks, but let's go.
It's our last full day here with everyone. So we're going to swim again after watching Gabe's game. Unfortunately, Gabe's team lost, but that's okay. And they do have a game tomorrow morning, so hopefully they win that one. But right now we're gonna go swimming. So. just finished swimming and it was pretty fun. We played What Are the Odds with everyone. Yeah, it does.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Today we are going to kiss strangers on the mouth. Can you hear that or no?
No, she's got to play it back.
Anyways, guys, we are about to go play mini golf with everyone, all the kids. Pretty excited, not really sure where this is. I'm pretty sure it's indoors though because it is insanely hot outside and we don't want to do any more outdoor activities because of how hot it is. I think after that we're gonna grab some dinner. Also don't really know where we're going, but that is just the overview of tonight. Okay, here's the outfit check. Wow, I got that. All right. Make sure the pillows don't fly.
That'll be funny.
Gabe, go down.
Oh gosh, we got caught.
No, I just looked back. I'm like, is our window gone?
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, we gotta check the back.
Yeah, we need to turn.
The pickled garlic, and then they put like.
Can I try to? They said Lucky Charms marshmallow. Very good. Can I try some Fruity Pebbles? Good morning, guys. It's the next day. We have a half day and we're at the Cosmopolitan meeting up with my cousins to grab some lunch before everyone heads out to go back to San Diego and Texas and everything. So we're gonna be eating at Egg Slut, I think, and we're just walking there on the way down.
The Awakening at the Wind.
Wow!
Storytelling.
Moana.
It was crazy. It's crazier.
You did that.
Good job, Zen Zen. Yay!
Step on his foot. Hurry, just jump on it. Jump on it.
Jump on his foot.
Jump on it. He's a robot.
Pickled onions are good.
You're like, get in it. You're not. I'm not posting this.
No, I will.
Like it. Let's get in.
Here, you can talk to them. Hold on. Hey, this is...
want candy.
You want this ASMR?
Sing, Zen Zen.
Yummy.
Oh, she doesn't put it in her mouth.
Say, I'm in Vegas.
Wait, I'm doing that. Okay, you mean get off? Yeah. Okay, wait, they take pictures first. Yo, there can't be this many people on the balcony.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Zen Zen, step on his foot. We are about to hit the road, but I just wanted to take a pit stop to grab some matcha. So we're at Urban Matcha, previously known as Premium Cafe Mico, which we went there in San Diego and Portland, and it's so good. So decided to get some. And honestly, this color looks so promising. Look how green this is. Got a matcha latte and also a hojicha latte, which I've actually never had before. So this will be my first time trying it. So let's try the matcha first. Whoa, that's so good. It's very strong matcha flavor. It's slightly sweet. It does have a slight chalkiness that stays on your mouth afterwards, but overall it's pretty good. So now let's try a hojicha latte. This one is a roasted green tea, so it just has more of a nutty flavor compared to regular matcha. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Wow, I would drink this every day. Wow, it's delicious. That is so good. Okay, overall, let's see. I would rate the matcha 4.5, and I'd say the hojicha 4.9. It's honestly so good. I would definitely recommend going here if you're in Vegas. Urban Matcha. Okay, my brother's gonna try out the matcha with lychee jelly. Let's see. See if he likes it.
The lychee is very strong.
Very overbearing.
Overpowering, yeah.
This looks like a matcha Americano, I'm not gonna lie. It's a very green though. Let's try it. Yeah, it just tastes like lychee. It tastes good though. Well, we're about to drive back to Dallas now. It's gonna be around a 20-hour drive, and I think I'm driving the first leg. So wish us luck, and I'll see you guys on the road.